Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the camera and you are seeing the basic options in the bottom of the camera mode here. Okay, that is first option portrait, then photo, video. The photo and video cannot be moved from bottom to the other area. Okay, that is more area. You can move portrait to the more area. If you want to bring some of the basic some of the options from more area to here. Okay, that is bottom of the screen. Click on more button and you will see other options. These are all the other options, other modes of camera. Pro mode, panorama mode, foot mode, night mode, macro mode. So this mode can be brought to the bottom of the screen here. To do that, click on this plus symbol and just drag and drop to the bottom of the screen and it will go there. Panorama can also be moved. Foot can also be moved. Night mode is also brought to the bottom. Macro to bottom. Okay, click on save. If you want to move from bottom to top of the screen, yes, you can do it. For example, click on this plus symbol and if you want to bring night mode to here, yes, drag and trap in the top of the screen. Okay, from bottom to top also can be moved. Macro is also moved. Okay, so whatever you want to keep in bottom you can keep, and whatever you want to keep in the top of the screen, yes, you can do it. In this way you can rearrange camera modes and you can finally click on save and you can edit like this. Okay, these are all the camera modes and how to edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay, so whichever mode you want, just you can bring it from the top of the screen to the bottom of the screen. Whichever mode you don't want for in the bottom, you can just throw it from bottom to the top. Okay, that's the editing of camera modes here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.